Welcome to the Chancellor Cessna 414, 759er Juliet Sierra. Tonight we're going to do some night currency work. I've got about 2 days left of night currency in a multi, and this plane's about to go in for annual, so I want to make sure I got a fresh 90 days. This is a 1977 Chancellor Ram 4 conversion. So we've got TSIO 520 supercharged engines, 325 horsepower apiece on each side, lots of fuel on both wings, 6 fuel tanks, 10 fuel pumps, pressurized cabin, and Garmin 530, 430, and steam gauges that you would normally expect in an airplane. It's a fun airplane to fly. Very happy in the low flight levels. High teens, low flight levels is where she's happiest. She's pressurized, so we don't have to worry about oxygen. Not going to go quite that high tonight, but we're going to have a good time. So come along and enjoy the ride.
Simultaneous approaches in use. RNA approach is available upon request. Advise on initial contact. You have information, Sierra.
That was Chancellor 759 Juliet Sierra. Charlie 9 Juliet Sierra.
Clear left.
759 Juliet Sierra, departure frequency 127.22, squawk 0201. Maintain VFR at or below 3,500 until further advised by departure.
Alright, how's your run up?
Maintain 4,000, expect about level 270, 10 minutes after departure. Departure frequency 109.0, squawk.
Mags, get a little drop off that left. Okay, mag check is good.
Thank you very much.
709 Juliet Sierra, caution turbulence departed 737, resume on navigation Georgetown, wind 33015, runway 35 right, cleared for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff 35 right on navigation to Georgetown, 9 Juliet Sierra.
Southwest 3522, contact departure, advising your direct launch. Good day, good night, sir. Nice. Southwest 3328, Austin Tower, clear direct LOL, runway 35 cleared for takeoff.
Just right off the parallel, sir, and then we'll hit the river and hit the CQR if it's above action.
Army 20819, squawk 0202, and advise ready for takeoff.
Okay, 2020.
And 0202, sir.
0202, Roger, Army 20819.
And Austin departure, Chancellor 9 Juliet Sierra. Can we climb to 55?
9 Juliet Sierra, terminal setting 330 VFR climb at discretion.
Head in 330 VFR at our discretion, 9 Juliet Sierra.
Number 6 Sierra Papa, resume navigation for San Marcos.
Resume on navigation, 6 Sierra Papa.
You're very smooth on the controls.
Southwest 3328, clear direct LOL.
November 759 Juliet Sierra, Georgetown Tower, make straight in approach, runway 36, report a 5 mile final. November 9 Juliet Sierra, do have a helicopter, 1 o'clock, 1 mile northbound at 2,000, and runway 36, wind 340 at 7, clear to land.
Clear to land 36, traffic's in sight, 9 Juliet Sierra. Alright, we're under the first dot, so we can do 10 degrees of flaps. I want to reserve that for when the glide slope comes in a little bit more.
Helicopter 20819er, transition approved, altimeter 29er, 79er. Have twin Cessna traffic at 7 o'clock, 1 mile and 3,000. He's a straight in for runway 36.
500.
Helicopter 20819er, leaving the class Delta. Frequency change approved. November 759 Juliet Sierra, make left traffic, runway 36, clear for takeoff.
Left traffic 36, 759er Juliet Sierra.
Tomahawk 6400 Alpha, you're following traffic 2 o'clock, 3 miles southbound at 3,500. That helicopter traffic, no factor.
Roger, and I have traffic in sight, 00 Alpha.
00 Alpha, you can follow behind him and report right downwind midfield.
Roger, right downwind midfield, 00 Alpha.
November 759 Juliet Sierra. Expect to exit off at the end and then turn right southbound back to the pumps. Runway 36, wind 330 at 8, cleared to land.
Clear to land 36, and copy the instructions on the ground, 9 Juliet Sierra.
Tomahawk 6400 Alpha, you're number 2 behind Cessna on a right base. Runway 36, wind 330 at 8, clear to land.
Clear to land, number 2, 6400 Alpha.
Georgetown traffic, Chancellor 9 Juliet Sierra, taking the runway 36. We'll be departing right downwind towards Austin southbound. Georgetown traffic.
San Antonio transition as filed. Maintain 4000. Expect flight level 320 within 10 minutes of departure. Departure frequency will be 119.0. Squawk 7316. Los 873, read back is correct. AS information to India is current job for a day. Come back to us. Car 72063, this is Columbia, 12 north at 10 markets at 3000. That's VMC. 063, roger, thank you.
5969, maintain 170 knots or less to a 5 mile final, clear visual approach, runway 35 left. 9 Juliet Sierra, resume on navigation, the right base, runway 35 right, contact tower 121.0.
On navigation for 35 right, contact the tower, 9 Juliet Sierra.
That's right, Dr. Exterman 42 and 44 Central Traffic, Texas, and High Watson, Flight 6. Houston. One landing at Atlantic will be at your own rescue, crossing to the movement area, wind 21014. Air 1, roger. So that November Delta, roger, expect on course Shirley, your radar contact, advise me evaded. Juliet current now, they're advertising visual to 17 and 26.
Chancellor 9 Juliet Sierra, Austin Tower, wind 36013, 135 right, clear to land.
Clear to land, 35 right, 9 Juliet Sierra.
I log all of my flights with Pilot Partner. After a nice relaxing flight, I'll always forget to open my paper logbook when I get home, but Pilot Partner is ready to log when I land. Before leaving the aircraft, I open up Pilot Partner on my iPad or iPhone, choose the correct airplane from my saved bank of aircraft, which Pilot Partner remembers the last aircraft you flew, put in the total time, the route of flight, how much night flight time you got, day and night landings, and any other remarks pertaining to the flight, and just hit save. Electronic logging of flights is truly a godsend for everyday aviators who don't want to carry a paper logbook with them like me, and it is the way of the future. You can learn more about Pilot Partner at pilotpartner.net. If you like these videos, be sure to hit subscribe to be notified when the next one is released. And I'm also hosting a Patreon campaign, so if you'd like to help out this channel, you can head over to patreon.com/MrAviation101 to lend your helping hand.